Yo, yo, yo.
Mickey.
What's happening? What's happening?
Oh, can you hear me?
Hold on. Yo, yo, yo. You here?
Yeah, I can hear you. I feel like there's a delay on my side or something.
Oh, there might be.
Yeah, there is.
Man, gold just took a little drop, didn't it?
Yeah, I didn't expect that. Wait, there's a delay, man. Let me disconnect and connect again.
Alright, do your thing. Alright, let's take a look. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Oh, let's start with golds. This gold's coming back down a little bit. Start with Goldie. So daily is super bullish. It's super bullish on gold right now. Hello Anna. Hello. What's going on? Where are we at? Alright, so gold's just been pushing. We broke past this previous, or this lower high area right here, above 33, 48, 49. And yeah, we've just been pushing up all morning. 4 hour, so 4 hour was bullish until this little drop that it had when the 12:30 candle opened. But we did break the previous 4 hour high, so I'm anticipating gold continues up. But this range has been, well, right now it's just been a very slow push up, and this 30-minute resistance seems to be holding. But we'll see how long that lasts. Let's see how long that lasts right here. We do have an adjust.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright.
And we've got a 30-minute support here at 33.74. I don't like this range that gold is in right now. This it doesn't look like it wants to push up now that we've broken this support. Let's see if we close below this one. 33.74. Yes, we close above this 4 hour resistance, which is a good sign. So I'm going to remove that. So adjust my levels. Yeah, I don't know if gold wants to push up just yet, but we'll see what happens at this support, see how it reacts. If it pushes below, need a closure below this area.
I like Gbpjpy for some reason at the moment.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, because I mean, like, if it closes bearish, that's a definite sell.
What, on pound yen?
Yeah. But I was thinking of taking a sell with this bullish minor weak closure, because I knew it was gonna retrace. After that, the way it closed, I knew it was gonna go down. So I was gonna scalp a bit of, like, the current candle, you see it went down first. So I could have taken like a sell there.
Yeah, I don't trust this. What I don't like about GJ sells right now is the fact that it pushed up from this 4 hour level down here and daily level. This is where it's pushed up from. It's a very strong area on the daily and the 4 hour. But then it tapped into this resistance and then just dropped. So yeah, pound yen. I think they're both a bit tricky right now. Both of them.
And let's see in the next 20 minutes what happens.
Yeah, definitely gotta wait for the next candles to close before anything. But I can't believe gold dropped like this. It's been breaking highs. That's the crazy part. Anyway, where's the chat? Bring the chat up. I can't see anything just yet. How was everyone's week so far? Did you trade yesterday? Yeah, hello, Anna. Yeah, I didn't trade yesterday.
I didn't know it was a bank holiday, so I just like I did that thing. When you told me in the group that it's a bank holiday, so I just didn't like trade from there. I thought it was like, you know, bank holiday.
Like a lot of the times, the only reason I didn't trade was because I knew pound yen wasn't gonna do much. Gold obviously still pushed in the morning, but in the afternoon, gold was just ranging. So the time I would have been streaming, this is gold. It would all been sideways. It didn't really do anything until like 6 o'clock my time, and it started pushing up. So yeah, I just felt it was going to be a slow day. I was looking at the markets, and you know, sometimes just got to take a day off, especially with the bank holiday. It's a big day off over here.
Yeah. Mickey, give me 5 minutes, right? I'll be back.
Do your thing. Did anyone else trade yesterday? When the markets were open, now gold wants to pull back. Alright, 15-minute candle's about to close. What's up, Rosie? What's up? What's up? Alright, we're gonna get a 15-minute bounce. Continue up. We have no news today, thank God. We've got interest rates tomorrow. Thursday, UK interest rates, Gbpjpy. Unemployment claims. And then nothing really on Friday. That's good. What's up, Benny? How was your bank holiday? You take a day off? Pound yen, I would love to take some buys, but we've closed back in a range, back above this support. but I don't like that this candle, it retested this resistance, pushed back down and closed below the daily flip. So see, the daily candle is bearish right now, but we are pushing up from this daily level. Yeah, it's a bit indecisive right now. And then we've broken this previous low. Yeah, not very clean. Not very clean at all. Bullish on GJ, okay. Okay. GJ from the top. Did we even do GJ from the top? Don't think so. Daily's currently bearish. Just about bearish. Broke yesterday's low. Tapping into this daily support. Pulled back. 4 hours bullish. If this 4-hour candle can engulf this previous one, I think we can push back up. If it doesn't break this previous high, I think we might be going back down in pound yen. But I mean, these are strong levels that it's pushing up from. This support, 4-hour and daily. But then we've tapped into this 4-hour resistance here too. Yeah, very tricky, very tricky. Very tricky. I mean, if you're bullish on GJ, I can see it being like a long-term thing. But right now, the only confirmations I see for pound yen buys are the rejection of this support and the 4-hour holding this level here and creating a support. Other than that, we've broken the previous daily low. It's bearish. Got this bearish structure. But all we need is that 20-30 pips. Nothing crazy. Guys think about gold? What's to the left? I know it's pretty clean candles to the left on gold. Yeah, look. Okay, got a little resistance here. said gold isn't finished. Anna says would like gold to come down a little bit more before the buyers. Okay. Anna, you like the big moves. Yeah, I want to see some structure on gold. Like if I want to take a buy, I would like it to be from a support, ideally. Drops back to. If it does, yeah, it would be good. It's a bit more of a drop, a bit more of a pullback. GJ is the structure is still so bearish on the lower time frames. Like this 30-minute looks beautiful downtrend structure. And if we get a resistance down here, then we're gonna have a lower high. So we might feel this wick and continue down, but let's see how this candle closes. Did see some. I was looking for gold buys today earlier on, like during London session. So it was, I had a resistance here. I was looking at this closure above, but I didn't really like this wick, so I waited until this candle. I thought, yeah, I'll take some buys here, but then this 8 o'clock candle pushed up with no bottom wick. Now what I should have been doing is looking at my broker's candle, because my broker did have a bottom wick, but by the time it pushed up and I saw it, it was already gone. It was too late. So yeah, I didn't get to take these buys, but I think the buys looked good. It's a good push up. So like nearly 200 pips. 150. And then pound yen, was looking at sells, was looking at some pound yen sells. So we had a support here that what I just removed, and then got the closure below, but it was at 9 o'clock. Still had these wicks to the left. 9 o'clock is very 50-50 for me, whether price moves or ranges. So I didn't take it. I didn't take the sells down. And then it dropped. It was only, what, 34 pips? It would have been enough. I'm only looking for 20-30 on pound yen anyway. But I was anticipating a push down into this 4 hour level. 4 hour and daily. It's actually my sell target for the day. If you guys look at my daily analysis in the mornings, that's where I put my sell target, and I actually put buys from 4 hour support at 190.4. So I was looking for like a push up or a retracement from down here. We're pretty close. Which one's going to give us the quickest trades, or which one's going to give us the setup today? Which one? I think it might be gold, to be honest. If we get a closure above at 1 o'clock, or the 1 o'clock candle gives us a closure above, I think we could be in some buys. Back down. Maybe a closure below. 8 pips away. I think Caswell said he wanted to take some sells if this candle closed bearish. Would be following this bearish trend, the downtrend. Yeah, pounding might sell back down to this support here. How did gold close? Okay, just tapped into that support and pulled up. Wonder if we get the push from here. Higher low. Oh, these markets today. Okay, gold come back down. When gold comes down, pound yen goes up. saying, if you can break above this high. So we've got the resistance here, pound yen. We've got another resistance right above that. That's what makes it tricky for the buys, when you've got all these levels to the left. Alright, just wicks. Gold isn't much better, but if gold can close below this support, let's move it, because this is the one, this is the support I really want the closure below. If I get a closure below here, then we've got this range. Now I don't think gold is going to be bearish, but I think we could get a little bit of a pullback, potentially, you know, a quick. How big was that range? 140 pips. Should be able to squeeze at least like 40-50 pips out of a pullback down here. GJ pushing. Okay, we broke the previous high, so it might just be making a higher low. Let's keep going up. If we can close above the daily flip and the daily stays bullish, get some buys on pound yen. With volume, just keep pushing up. Doing tapped into this support again. Weather over here has just dropped. Said gold's waiting for volume, NY open. Maybe before it continues to push up. Like, the way I think about the market moving sometimes is, if gold wants to push up and be bullish for the day, then it might push up during Asian, might have a little push up during London, but come NY, if gold is going to continue up, it needs to drop back a little bit just to get better buy prices. Like, I don't think people's going to jump in at the highs, so it should take a little dip before it shoots up again. And then can't stay above the daily flip. GJ's coming back down. Okay.
Yo, Mickey, I'm back.
What's happening?
I had to take care of some few stuff, but nothing active.
You haven't missed anything?
Oh yeah? Ah, shit. Well, I was gonna take sales. If GJ broke the previous
the
low.
That resistance. Yeah, I was saying that you was thinking about it, and then it just pushed right up.
Damn. Now the trade is invalid. It broke the previous. It's on high.
Yep. But I think it might still flip and drive down because it's rejecting the daily flip where the daily candle opened. It's rejecting that.
The support that you got there, is it based on 4 hours? Just like based on the 30?
Nah, 30 minutes. It's a little 30 minutes. It's a minor support. I don't even.
That's a minor support. Yeah.
It's not even serious.
Yeah.
I just thought if it pushes up, pound yen's pushing up from here, then we've got like a higher low. But I don't know what it wants to do.
I don't like the 4 hours at the same time, eh?
Yeah, my thing with pound yen now is that the 4 hour is holding at this 4 hour support and then it's just rejecting this 4 hour resistance. So it could really go both ways. It could push up from this support, it could push down from this resistance. It's not very clean.
The 1 hour looks good though, not gonna lie. Proper price action.
1 hour looks better for sales, 100%.
Yeah.
It does. You're right. Let's see. 37 pip stop loss, not bad. It's not bad at all. Let's see what happens. The markets have been playing around today. You take any trades this morning? Do you take those GJ sells?
For me? Oh yeah, I did. Low risk though. Low risk. Because you made me took the low risk. I was gonna like go my normal risk. Then you're like, nah, I don't like the setup. I was like, you know what? Let me go low risk.
No, the setup was nice. It's just the time for me. You know, I don't like taking trades after 9 o'clock. That's all it was. That's literally all it was. The setup was there. That's why I was just waiting. So I'll wait till NY because I want. And I didn't. For me, I was looking for a buyers up from this area, from down here, 190.4. So it was kind of close, but it got to what, 30 pips?
Yeah, 30 pips. Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite around 20 though.
Yeah, so it's not bad, not bad. But I just had a feeling. See, I had this whole area marked out earlier. So I had the daily, like where the daily candle closed, and then the 4 hour support. So that's why I had this. So as soon as it was very close to that area. That's why I said, you know what, I'll wait. And it pushed up from here. It was like a perfect push up. But I didn't take any trades. I should have taken these buys, but 10:30, I wasn't even looking at it like that. And gold hit your stop loss, yeah?
Yeah. I closed when the 15 minute when it broke the 15 minutes low. The 15 minutes low?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when I closed, yeah. It was didn't really hit my stop loss. I closed on this candle here on your the other one. the other one. Yeah, this kind of once it broke the previous low. That's when I closed.
Yes, yeah. That was a good place to close. It just look straight after that, just straight down.
Just went out. Yeah.
But gold, it still looks bullish to me. It still looks bullish. It hasn't broken structure, not yet. Not yet. I mean, it's broken this little support, but it's still holding up here. But yeah, interest rates, I think tomorrow, if they decide to keep the rates the same, I think gold will have a little pullback. If they decide to drop the rates, USD interest rates, I think gold will push.
Now they're going to increase the rate.
No, they're not going to increase it. Decrease. They're only lowering it. They'll either keep it the same or they'll lower it. They're not going to put the rates up. No way.
Why can't they put? Why not?
USD interest rates, because they're already high. Their plan is not to increase it.
Well, they're not doing good economically, so that's the only way.
Then they keep it the same. That's the only other option. There's no increase in it. That's not even on the table. No way.
You know, unless they increase.
Nah. Increasing is when the economy is not doing
it's not
too
from
well.
where?
The increase is when the economy is doing too well. That's when you increase the interest rates.
No. Wait. When you increase, the economy is doing too well. When you decrease, the economy is horrible, right?
When you increase the rates, it's because you want people to save money and to stop spending.
Yeah, that means you don't want them to like take more credit and whatnot, right? Because the interest rates are.
You want them to save money. Yeah. Right now, they're on a cycling back. That's why Trump is complaining, because he's like, they should be decreasing the rates now. Why are they not decreasing the interest rates? Why are they holding? That's what he's upset about, because he wants them to decrease it. Increasing the rates is not on the plan at all. No way. That's why gold is pushing now. Gold is pushing based on the fact that they think the interest rates are going to stay the same. Where's the thing that I was reading? Let's go to gold. It was Monday I was reading it. The gold just started pushing up from Sunday. The 5th. Yeah, look, Trump is screaming for interest rates cuts. No, this isn't the right article I was reading, but there was one I was reading where they're talking about.
Yeah, I know Trump wants to cut the rates, wants to decrease the rates. He even tweeted about it. He said he's giving calls for slow, something like that.
Yeah, he wants them to push it. So look, the markets have fully priced in the fact that the US central bank will keep rates unchanged. They will not update their forecast until the June meeting. It's either down or the same. That's it. Those are the two options. Yeah, those are the two options. And the rest of the economy is doing well. So the inflation is down. Unemployment is not great, but that's what they're heading towards. But
you think the economy is doing well at the moment?
Not doing well in terms of the numbers that they look at. Like, forget like trade tariffs and all of that. The Fed's job is to keep inflation down. Mainly, that's what the Fed's job is. Keep inflation down. Look at jobs. Look at retail. Look at GDP. That's what they're looking at. So there's certain things that are doing well and there's certain things that aren't. But the main one, inflation rates, that one is on track for where it needs to be. So they would have to have something drastic for them to increase the rates again. The only reason they increased the rates was because of COVID. the economy is not as bad as COVID times. I mean, the only reason they dropped the rates, was because of COVID. It's not like that. So they wanted people to spend again. That's why they increased the rates. Now they'll drop it again. Now they're on the I can't remember what the policy is. Quantitative easing.
I hear you.
That's why Trump was talking about firing Powell, innit?
Yeah. But it's impossible. You can't fire that guy, eh?
He can fire him. He can.
But isn't like the federal, what's that thing called?
Trump hired him. Trump is the one that chose him to be the chair of the
but
the thing.
he doesn't have power over the, what is it called, man?
How can he hire people but not be able to fire them? Of course he can.
No, wait. I don't think he actually appointed him to be the chair. He nominated him some sort.
Yeah, he put him in place.
Let me check for it. Wait up. Yeah. Oh.
Trump was the one that appointed him back in 2016. Was it 2016?
Yeah.
The
president doesn't have like power over the Federal Reserve, right? He can't like go in there and change whatever he wants to change. He can't just fire anyone. Apparently, from what I've read, he can't fire Powell. I don't know about appointing him as a chair for the Federal Reserve.
Yeah, look that up.
But
he definitely did. He's the one that chose him to be in that job.
So now he's gonna defy him, right? He's not gonna cut the interest rates. So if he doesn't cut them,
he changed his mind.
Don't you think he's gonna fire him?
No, he changed his mind. He said, "No, I'm not gonna do it." He said, "Listen, you can't take what Trump says seriously." He says one thing one day, and then the next day he completely changed his mind.
I hear you.
Well, that was when he said he wanted to fire Powell. The markets reacted to that.
It did. It did. It did.
But he said no. He said no. I'll leave him. I ain't gonna fire him. But I do want him to reduce the rates. He is putting pressure. What's see, gold just pushed up. Rosie said Trump is all over the place. He is all over the place. Can't keep up with this guy.
He is. He's trying to put tariffs on movies, bro. Movies, really?
Movies and the media. You know why? Because the media is always talking shit about him. That's why. It's punishment.
Yeah. He's a punishment. Yeah. He's a punishment.
I don't know how that's gonna work. Seems like he's punishing his own people now.
No, I think he. I don't know how. I'm trying to think. What's the angle regarding this?
Exactly.
There must be an angle why he's doing what he's doing. It's not about trying to make movies great again. There's something he's trying to...
It's not about making movies great again, though.
Yeah.
Nah, it's the media coming after him all the time. That's what I think it is. I think that's why he's trying to come for them.
Yeah.
But it doesn't know, man. He wants to just charge everyone. Everyone is getting charged money. GJ, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think I'll be taking any trades on GJ today. But you know what I think might happen? I can imagine happening. It'll just have one big long bullish candle out of nowhere at like 4 o'clock.
Yep.
GJ will just push.
By chance it might happen. Wait, I'll be back.
Zoom, yeah. We're on the Zoom. If you guys ever want to join the Zoom, let me know. There's space for all. Just keep your backgrounds quiet for me. And yeah, you can join the Zoom, why not? Said your background's too loud for Zoom. So my background used to be too loud for streaming. I'd have music playing, have my TV on, sometimes a Netflix show in the background, Bloomberg. Is the music loud? Yeah, I can turn it down. I hear it in my ears, so I don't hear what you guys hear. Let's do... Oh, do you know what? It's because of the Zoom. In fact, let me hear. Yes, the Zoom. Because it's playing through the laptop and the Zoom. So let's do... Uno momento. Yeah, that should be better. Let me know if it's better for you. Should be better. How's this 30-minute candle closing? Bearish with a long bottom wick, maybe. Gonna get a GJ closure above this little resistance, this minor resistance, and above the daily flip. Man, so yeah, just for like further notice, if it's a bank holiday, I probably won't stream because of market volume. If I can't look at both pairs, then I probably won't stream. So yeah, again, yesterday was bank holiday, and then Friday I had that little funeral to go to. It was nice, you know, my grandmother's older sister. 92. Be blessed to reach those ages. But I mean, didn't miss anything on Monday at all, because the stream would have been through all of this. So we had this lovely little range here. How was NFP actually? I didn't even get to
Nah, there was no movement.
You know what, yeah? I was at the funeral, and the funeral was at like 12:30, and the after part was about 2:30, something like that. So we were getting there, something like that. Anyway, man, there was no reception in the hall, like none. You could not. There was a field. You had to walk across the field to get any type of reception.
Damn.
So I couldn't even look at the charts or anything.
On your phone, nothing.
Nothing. I have 2 phones as well. Yeah. 2 phones, both on different networks, and I had no reception, so I couldn't. There was no videos. No, I wasn't going to take any pictures, anything. So that was it.
So you guys are in the UK, so there's no network reception at all.
So it was it was a hall, but it was a hall, and then it was by like loads of fields. Like a lot of fields. Well, literally, it wasn't even that far. It's not far from where I live, but yeah, it's in the city too. It's pretty city-ish, but it was just zero reception. So no trades, no nothing.
Is it by the graveyard?
No, it wasn't even by. No, it wasn't even by the graveyard. Wasn't even by the graveyard. We had to drive there from the cemetery to the church and stuff. Cemetery was fine. Reception all through that. But yeah, it was just the after bit. Nothing. Nothing. So I was with family anyway, so it's not like didn't have anyone to talk to, or didn't have to be on my phone because I was with family. So, but it was just I wanted to see NFP. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see what was gonna happen.
No, I didn't miss anything. It was just slow. It didn't do a machine prep at all.
Perfect. Where was it? It was here. Yeah. Average, and then just range afterwards. Nonsense. Okay, good. So I didn't miss anything. So I didn't even check it when I came back. I came home, got changed, showered, got changed, and I went to a club after the.
Oh, is it? Were you guys doing after Tues, eh?
No. This is. We had the funeral, then we had the after bit with the family, the food, the drinking. I was helping out on the bar, and then after that, I went out with my friends to go and party.
Yeah, that's called after Tues, I think.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, in South Africa, after a funeral and stuff, everyone goes out to party or something.
Oh, okay, and it's funny because I bumped into one of my cousins at the club. I was like, yeah, it was at the funeral. Yeah. Yeah, it was funny. It was a good day. Friday. It was a good day. But yeah, I'm glad then I didn't miss anything with the stream. Cause I don't like to miss days. Cause I like to be consistent. I don't want to think I'm not consistent. All right, golds. Yeah, I think gold is gonna push up from here, creating a higher low. If we break this high, let's go. What are you thinking? We waiting for on golds?
Crazy enough, there's no news, nothing, but this price action is shit.
No news. Tomorrow, even tomorrow, when there's news, it's gonna be late. It's FOMC, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this current 30 minutes gold candle might break above.
Oh yeah, I think it's gone from here. Yeah.
Definitely gonna close above, yeah.
I like the structure. It's still bullish structure here.
GJ. Interesting move.
What, GJ?
Yeah.
That little closure above. Little minor closure above. If I take that away, it looks like a closure above here. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave pound yen to do his thing. because there's so many resistances to the left. There's too many. I mean, actually 1 hour doesn't look bad, but this range is going to be small. Look, 16 pips. Yeah, nah. Alright, go tap that resistance again. They're gonna break. No. 100 pips, easy. Go on gold, pop right here, break above, fly. Yeah, I'm not feeling pound yen at all. Even on the 15-minute, nothing on gold.
Yeah, I think the valid pair that we can trade on right now is gold. GJ, I don't know about it. Best that range.
Yeah, I'm leaving pound yen.
Yeah, we're gonna get a new high this week. I'm telling you, I can feel it.
So what, 3,500? It's above 3,500. Look at gold.
You know,
Yeah,
if I was a swinger,
man.
you know, I was gonna buy gold immediately when Trump announced the tariffs. I was gonna buy that. You remember it was on 2000 and what? At some point, it was on like 2,500, right?
Yes, yeah. That would have been February. It was
2,000.
yeah, Feb.
I remember we were trading this pair and we were like, we're hyping 2,000. Wait, what number? Wait, let me check. We're hyping it's like, now it's gonna get to 2,000, it's gonna get to 2,000, and we were like on 2.5. We didn't even like, we never even thought like it was gonna get to 2,000.
Facts. So the Trump tariffs, he announced them in February, and then he paused them straight away. So remember we had this massive gap down. And then he said, just kidding, I'll give them 90 days, and then it shot up and it just kept on pushing from there.
Yeah.
Madness.
Look at that. Yeah, swingers 8. Yeah, I'm telling you, swingers did saw this coming. Uncertainty caught by gold.
Okay, it's gone now. Gone Goldie. And GJ2.
Wait. Benny, did you take buys on what? Gold? Not to buys on gold. Let me see. You haven't yet closed yet, Benny. What you said 15 minutes closure about?
Yeah, no, I don't think he's in. It didn't close, yeah. The 15-minute didn't close yet. I think he means when the 15-minute closes above, I'm in. But normally when we get in a trade, we just say I'm in the trade.
Yeah, that's what I always when I mean. I was like, I'm in. So yeah, I get you.
Oh yeah, he said not yet. Not yet.
15 minutes. Indecisive right now. It looks good.
It's just so much time left in this candle.
Yeah.
So much time left. That's the problem.
And you just moved 100 pips like it's nothing. Like, fuck, eh. I miss the times where the stop loss was like 30, 40 pips. Now it's like 100 pips.
Them times don't even exist on the 5-minute time frame.
But GJ is back to normal, eh?
GJ is okay. GJ, I don't mind. It's like maximum on pound yen I'll take is like 30, 40 pip stop losses. But even then, I'm trying not to take the full hit on the stop loss. I'll close some on the way down. But gold, there's no mercy. None. No mercy. Look at this. I might actually start backtesting the 5-minute time frame. Do you know what I need? Have you got software effects?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Could you won't be able to send it on Discord, I think, because it's too big. It's a exe file, isn't it?
No, it's not that big.
Yeah.
You mean the correct version?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send you the details how to do it.
Yeah.
No, it's not that big.
Oh, wicked.
Oh, I can see it on Telegram.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I can see it on Telegram if you do have Telegram.
Yeah, I do.
I think the latest chart I got is from last year. December. Yeah, from December.
Okay, cool.
From 2020, I think 2020 or 2019 till last year December.
Oh, that's it.
That's what I got. I can get more if you want more data.
It's not bad. You know what? I want this year, to be honest.
Oh, you want this year? I can give you this year. It's fine.
Yeah.
I haven't updated in I mean, like, I know what I did this year, so I haven't.
Do you know what it is? It's just because I want to practice the 5-minute. I need the candles, how they've been behaving recently.
Okay.
That's what I want.
Let me check for you if the data is available. Because I told you I get it from this other guys. They always post their latest data.
Okay, cool. Alright, 15-minute candles gonna close in 5 minutes, and gold is gone. So that is
because you know what they do every month. They like every month, once a month is done, they post a new data. So you just have to update it, copy the data, and yeah.
Oh, they're on point.
Yeah.
Look at gold, 33.90. Yeah, gold is gone. Now, Benny, what would you use for a stop loss? You'd have to use the entry candle low because this candle is massive now. This is what, 200 pips? 155 pips for a stop loss? No way you're using previous candles for a stop loss now. Jeez.
Yeah, I got the latest data.
Oh, perfect.
Till May. 2nd of May.
Oh, wow. Monday. Yeah. Last Friday. Oh, perfect.
Damn, they quick nowadays, eh?
I just want, because I want to do February, March, and April. That's really what I want to backtest. Take my time and backtest. But the 5-minute time frame, man, I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. But if gold is moving like how it is, because this now it wouldn't have been a break and retest, but it's still a breakout. Closed above this resistance on the 5-minute, retest, push up. I want to back test, definitely.
Ben, are you still gonna go in after it closes? I wanna know where your stop loss is at. You know, you can go in, but it's gonna be a risky trade. Make it once it forms a bottom wick, then it flips, then your stop loss is gonna be on that bottom wick for it to continue going up. Once it's in like 20 pips or 30 pips, you put stop loss on break even.
It'd have to be super quick, super quick.
Yeah.
Do, 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 do. Yeah, he said entry candle low for stops. Hopefully it leaves a nice top wick. If you get a good top wick, then you at least have some time to set up the trade. Hopefully it doesn't just pop and just push up. Yeah, it looks like it's going to create a little top wick. Alright, let's see what gold's about to do. Oh, GJ's dropping. Alright, so looking for a little pullback. Bottom wick. Getting at the break of the high. You know, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna put a buy stop.
When you say entry candle low stops, there be one.
It would have to be. It has to be. It has to be. That's the only option. Can't use, look, previous 15s, 150 pips. Might even be more than that now. Yep, look, 170 pips. Lock my buy stop in. Oof.
You're taking it.
Yeah. Hopefully, if it retests this resistance and then pushes back up, even better.
Let's go then. Let's go. I like the fact they didn't even form a top wick at the moment and then break the high. So it's really doing a bottom wick first.
Exactly.
Once it breaks the high, yeah.
Exactly. These days you can't just rely on the 30-minute time frame for gold. You can't.
You're gonna miss a lot of moves if that's the case.
That's what has been happening.
So how many pips are you aiming for before you close? 20.
No, I want at least 30 pips.
50, man. 30 pips. Though you won't even see a polio of
58.
it.
Right now the stop loss is already 58 pips. Jesus.
Yeah, 1-on-1. 50 pips is fair.
I'm closing full positions as well. Alright, so as long as it stays above this resistance, if it breaks below the resistance, and I'm deleting the buy stop, because then it'll be more than 100 pips, I think. And I don't want it to break below this resistance anyway. Alright, Goldie.
There is you know that time earlier on the stream, right?
The what?
Earlier on the stream when I was gone for like 30 minutes and stuff.
Yes, yeah.
So this one was here since last night, so she didn't want to leave. So you're fucking me.
She doesn't want to leave.
She didn't want to leave. Yeah.
Oh my god. So what did you do? What are you doing? Nothing. You just have to
I
wait.
convinced her to leave that I'm working. It's dumb.
No.
Crazy, insane.
What time is it there?
No, it's during the day. It's like in the afternoon. Like yeah.
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
afternoon. But she was there since last night. Fucking me.
Said that's enough time now. That's funny. Man, this candle's just going down. Go on, come back up now. I'm ready.
Yeah, now is the time for you to go up.
Let's see what the 5 minutes. Okay, we broke the 5 minute low, but doesn't really matter as much.
I don't know what GJ doing right now, but don't think it's tradable at the moment.
Nah. GJ is not looking good. It's not looking good.
You know, I made profit by doing one of the basic fundamental trading, right? That time when Trump was announcing the challenge, right? When he put South Africa there, I just bought the US dollar. I knew our currency was gonna crumble, so I just bought the USD.
Yeah.
Then I made a bit of profit.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
But
Why is he coming for South Africa as well? What did they do?
No, Elon Musk again. Elon Musk is from South Africa and he's a white supremacist, that one. So basically, you know what's happening? Starlink is not operational in South Africa, right? Unless it's 30% black owned.
Yeah.
So it can operate in South Africa, but everywhere is operational in Africa anyway. So he wants it to operate in South Africa, but they say, no, bro, you have to comply to the BE rules, and for it to be operational, 30% should be go to the black empowerment, what.
Yeah.
So he doesn't want to do that.
Okay.
Now he's crying, he's saying, in South Africa, they don't want me to run my businesses because I'm white.
Oh,
like,
wow.
He legit said that on Twitter. It's like, South Africa doesn't want the Starlink because I'm white.
Crazy.
So,
Crazy.
yeah, man. We don't even have Tesla, bro. He does. That guy was gone from here. I don't know what we did to him. Maybe we bullied him in high school. But he doesn't want to hear nothing from us at all. He's just criticizing.
Why does he need South Africa? He has all the money in the world.
Oh, man. These people are here.
Madness.
These people are here.
Gold doesn't want to push up no more after all that. Come on, Goldie.
You know, you almost got a margin call, eh?
Who?
Elon, Tesla.
No way.
Almost got a margin call. It was on 200. If it went below 180, it was gonna get a margin call. But now it is covered. It's on 280, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, it was gonna crash. 180 is gonna get margin call, scheduled ducks in a row, and after it's just gonna crash.
Let me check because I have some Tesla.
You have some Tesla stock?
Yeah, of course. It's Tesla. It's like a crypto.
Yeah. He's gonna crash that thing. It's not really there. Yeah, it's on 280 now.
My Tesla stock, yeah. Since I bought it, it's up 32%.
Nice. Must you bought it? Which price? Which price was it when you bought it?
Tesla. Average price 195.
Damn.
Yeah.
We're in early.
Yeah. Literally, I treat Tesla like a crypto. I know it's gonna go up and down like crazy. I know it is.
But at some point, you know, it doubled, right?
Yeah. That's why I wasn't missing it this time round.
And you held.
Yeah, of course.
Which was 421.
All my stocks, I hold. I just hold. But I have other stocks, so it doesn't, one going very bad doesn't really affect
So when do you take
everything.
that profits? If
I don't.
the year ends, or
I
you
don't.
just want to hold it
I
forever?
just leave it. I just leave it.
Uh,
I just leave it. Just like my crypto.
yeah.
I just leave it. Leave everything. I don't touch it.
Mm. I'm assuming you're also holding S&P 500.
Oh yeah. Of course. Got ETFs. You have to. I tell people, anyone I tell to get into investing, I tell them get into ETFs first. Like it's the easiest thing.
That one you guarantee 10% yearly.
Exactly.
10% yearly.
You don't have to do nothing. Right? You don't have to watch it. You just buy.
Yeah.
Recurring buys. Just add a little bit every month.
Yeah.
And that's
You
it.
can use that as a bank account. Just save in there. Every money you get, just throw it in there.
Yep.
Because it barely fluctuates. Just increases. At a smaller, at a lower rate though. It doesn't increase like insane.
Yeah. I mean that's what made me get into investing. I had when I was younger, I had a good job, and I think I saved about $5,000, and I wanted something to do with it. And then I was looking into investing, and then everywhere that I was looking at, I had to have a money manager, and I had to have a minimum like $10,000 just to be able to invest in that company. And then I ended up spending all the money. I ended up just buying a new laptop. I was like, fuck it, it's not making me no money. I ended up blowing all of it. And then I saved again. But this time, I got onto trading 212. And I was able to invest. Then all the apps that allowed you to invest started coming out. Because they weren't available back in the day. You couldn't just get trading 212 or free trade. Or, like you couldn't just get into Forex very easily. But then all these investing companies came out, and then I decided I'm just going to buy stocks. Stop me from just blowing it all again. If I had nothing to spend it on, I bought my car, I bought this, I bought that. I said, nah, let me put this money down for long term. Yeah. It's not good to be young with money. You just buy stupidness.
How's that crypto doing?
The thing is, I've been buying crypto since 2018.
Damn, you've been in the game.
A long time. So my crypto is doing very, very, very well. Very well. I have XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin.
Yeah, Ethereum is been crashing, but I think it recovered a bit.
I think I have the least Ethereum. It's ridiculous. I think that's the lowest coin that I have. Like it dropped everything else.
At some point, the support looked like it was at 0, man. Like Jesus. No, the support was like at the major one was at the major support was on just on 1,000.
Oh, serious?
Major,
yeah. I don't like I said, I'm not a fan. I have it just because it was like top 2, wasn't it?
It was top 2 with Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, so that's why. But like I said, back when I was buying it, it was up there. And there were these guys called these black guys called the Gentlemen of Crypto. Because I was getting all my friends into crypto, but they would have like quizzes and pop shows where they would give away Bitcoin, but they would only give it to you on Cash App. So I took all my friends' Cash Apps and I would take part in the quizzes, and when I'd win, I'd give all my friends Cash Apps, so they were all getting like crypto, and I'm like, here, that's for me to use, my gift. I was gifting all my friends crypto. And that was back then. So now it's at least like 3 times, because Bitcoin was only about 20k then. Yeah, so I know their crypto is looking good. But that's the best way to introduce people. Just give it to them and just let them see what it can do. But I still think Bitcoin is the best. When people ask me which one to get, I still say Bitcoin. Because if I tell you to get into these meme coins, they're just ridiculous. Everyone's scamming you. If the president can scam you with a meme coin,
Yeah. Yo, he did the bad. I haven't checked that some coin. Did it crash or what?
That's a good question. Where would I even see it? Let's see.
Yeah, let's check it.
Trump
And
coin.
the first lady even did the
Milana coin. Stupidness.
yeah.
$10.60.
This
Let's
shit
see.
was
Look.
What the fuck?
Of course.
Check where the highest high was 40, right? I think $40, if I'm not mistaken.
I don't. It looks like it's $15. Official
Highest
Trump.
high.
Oh wait. Oh, this is way back.
No, yeah. Oh shit.
73.
73, yeah.
In January.
Just got. Look at the rat.
It looks like a typical meme coin.
Yeah.
Now it's $11.
What do you think? Is there any chance for you to get to 73 again?
Hell no.
What if he talks about it a lot?
He does talk about it. He thinks, come on, this is it. There's no coming back from this. This is it. It's finished.
Yeah.
It's done. Your money's gone. You ever watch South Park? Yeah. You ever see that show? Yeah. You know where they go to the bank. He goes to the bank and he said, I just want to deposit my money, and the bank guy goes, and it's gone. That's what that's Trump's coin.
I need to check that out.
Official Melania meme. This is it.
Blue Max. Like the whole thing.
Oh, all.
Yeah.
Look, another meme coin.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh man, that's funny.
Let's see.
Of course, look, community sentiment bullish. Who's bullish on this? That's a lie.
Also, gold's about to activate.
Ah, perfect. Look at that beautiful bottom wick.
It's like a minute left. It's interesting now. Should I'm activated.
Yep.
If I get a
Yep.
I'm activated.
Ah, I don't like this, because now it's a new 4-hour candle. We need a 4-hour bottom wick. There is, but it's very small. What was my entry? Let me check where it actually entered me in, because that slipped a little bit.
At least you get a better stop loss on the 15. Like what? 70 pips?
Yes, it was 80 pips.
What do you think? Should you hold or what?
I already got entered in, man. That's it. I had a buy stop. I ain't got a choice. There's no going back now.
Let's go.
92.77. Oh, that's my package. Look at that. I got slipped as well. Bastards. Oh, the slippage is real. Oh, gold. Man, but it's a new 4-hour candle. Too busy looking at stupid Trump and his coins.
Ben says he feels that is trash, look.
I mean, is what it is now.
What do you think, Benny? What do you think on gold? Are you in or what? Oh, talking about gold. It's flying now a bit.
Perfect. Good. Save me.
$20 pips now.
Man, I'm not even there. I got slipped.
Nah, man, 30 pips is not gonna be enough. 50 at least. What?
I want to hold it to the moon.
Or 60, man. Or 70. Our stop loss was like 80 pips. Why are we
Yeah,
taking
it
80
is.
pips? Doesn't make sense, does it?
Listen, I'm done vo trading right now. 100 pip stop losses to take 10 pips.
What?
Let's see where it goes. But nah, I'm cool with like 40-50. Depends on where the candle is. But we'll see. We'll see, we'll see.
Oh, this God.
But if it pulls back halfway, if it pulls back 40 pips, I'm gonna close half. I'm not
if it goes to your end to right or it flips.
Yeah, well, not even if it flips, but more so where. It's not straight. About here. It's like halfway towards my stop loss. I'm closing 50. Come on, gold. My thing is, it's got to make a 4-hour bottom wick. 4-hour candle bottom wick. This is not much of a bottom wick that it has right now. So, I think we'll get a push. See, look, even Yiha says, waiting for a steep bottom wick. It's a new 4-hour candle. Yeah, see, exactly what I said. Exactly what I said. If I'd seen that it was, I should have watched the time, man. But I do want a longer 4-hour bottom wick, to be honest. But I got entered in, so nothing I can do about it now. Whatever it is, I could just close, but I'm not going to. It is what it is. What's pound yen doing? How did this 4-hour close? See, pound yen looks like it might be creating a lower high on the 4-hour. We'll see. Or this 4-hour could push up, respecting this support.
I don't know if I should hold or... You know what?
Yeah, it's the 4-hour bottom wick for me.
Yeah.
That's what it is. But because it just got entered in, man, it happened too quick. Oh, shit. Drop my mouse. Where the hell did it go? Oh, I don't need it anyway.
But at least go up first a bit, then you can...
I mean, if it doesn't create a 4-hour wick with this candle, you know, within this 4-hour candle being open, it will create a steeper bottom wick. No, where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh. Dun, dun. Do, do, do. Oh, Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Give me 1 second. Someone at my door. One second, guys.
Yeah.
Ooh, gold's dropping. Oh, perfect. Amazon delivery. I swear, Amazon guys, man, they live at my house. They're always here. Oh, perfect. Yes. Let's see if this is fast charging, like they said. All right, all right. Oh, don't want to push up just yet. What's Pound Yen doing? Okay, Pound Yen made a little mini bottom wick.
Come on, girls, let's go.
I mean, we've got a bottom wick. It's not steep, but I mean, it's a bottom wick. I'm here for it either way.
I moved my stop loss to the current candle's low.
How big is that? Little 33 pips, not bad. I don't trust gold, you know. I don't. That 33 pips is nothing.
But I know for a fact if it breaks that low, I don't think it's gonna.
Okay, cool.
I don't think so. Because the 15 minutes is about to close.
Already? It is
Like in
already,
4 minutes.
yeah. Nah, GJ is boring.
Nah, it's moving.
Do you play any games, Caswell, like consoles, Xbox or PlayStation?
And I used to, not anymore.
Oh man, how do you have fun in life then?
I'll be outside, Nick.
Ah!
I'll be outside.
with people that don't leave your house.
Yeah. I'll be outside. And also, I'll be busy. I'll be working during the day and also trading at evening. You know, I have to check my trades and go outside. So I don't think I'll have the time. But I know GTA 6 is coming out. That one I'm definitely gonna have.
Oh, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be crazy.
I am gonna have it. I don't understand why they're postponing the date.
Because they're making it the best game ever. They're gonna expand. It's gonna be so expandable. It's gonna be insane. There we go, Goldie. They're gonna expand the shit out of it. I mean, think about it. This last GTA, people have been playing it for 10 years. They're still creating more stuff for GTA 5.
Yeah. And I saw my PS5. I need to buy it back now that GTA is coming.
Oh yeah.
That's the main reason I bought it, because of GTA 5. Oh.
Here we go, Goldie. Good stuff.
All right, stop loss on break even.
Hell yeah. Because if it comes back, that's it. I'm good. Like,
yeah.
if it comes back, it is what it is. All right, I'm at 30 pips.
I'm feeling good today.
Hey, I'm closing at 40 pips, I think.
What, 40?
In fact, I'm moving my stop loss in profit.
Oh, okay.
I'm moving it in profit. I'm moving it 20 pips in profit. If it comes back, it comes back. 20 pips in profit, my stop loss is.
But did you close partials?
No. No. I'm not closing partials. This month is straight positions, full positions, no partials.
Wait, how many pips are you giving for at the moment? 40?
40, yeah. And my stop loss is at 20 right now. My stop loss is at about 20. So it's at 30, 94, 77. Let's put that. When you have trust issues. Oh, nearly. Oh, close 20 pips. I hit my stop loss in profit. That's it. I don't even want it to come to break even.
But you got 20 pips though, right?
Yeah.
Alright, you good then. It's too soon though. Really, could have like put on break even at least. But it just 40 pips.
I think it will come back. If it comes back to break even, I'd rather take some than take nothing.
Thanks.
And yeah, I don't want to take partials, because I actually worked out how much I was losing by not closing full positions, because my runners always come back to my entry. So if I close full where I was closing partials, I'd end up with more money because of how many times my stop loss is hitting break even. So I said this month I'm gonna do a month where I'm just closing full positions, and that's it.
Yeah, see, now it's close are coming to break even.
No, I think gold will still push. I think gold will still push. But I'm happy because I could have closed. Huh? Yeah, do your thing. Top of the morning. Look at this trade gonna still run. Beautiful. And GJ is messing about still.
Alright, let's go gold.
It's at 40 pips now. Oh, you should be nearly 45 pips. Where did you get in? You got a better entry than I did.
I'm literally on the break. I'm on the 2092.36.
Cool.
So I've finished for 40 pips. Actually, let me close partials.
Have you upgraded to MT5 yet?
Yeah, I'm on MT5 now.
Nice. I'm proud.
But slowly I'm gonna be on the
C Trader.
C Trader, yeah.
Yes. The C Trader is so good, man.
Yeah. But when I simulate and not I'll use MT because with soft FX,
MT4,
right?
Yeah. I have MT4 just for soft 4FX because I used to use it, but I don't have the. I might just need the update. I might not even need the whole program. I have a cracked version. I just need the No,
That
mine
data.
doesn't work. No, it doesn't work at all. It doesn't even load onto my MT4. I think I need the whole version.
I also have it on MT5, but the problem is on MT5 you can't open different charts. You have to open like I don't know.
It's only
You
on
see
one
when
time frame.
Yeah, only one time frame. You can just change the time frame on that specific chart. You can't have multiple tabs open.
Yeah, that's like C Trader. C Trader is exactly the same. That's why I don't. That's why I can't use it. Because what I want to do is I want to see. I want to still use. I'm gonna backtest it a couple different ways. I want to use the 30-minute time frame, support and resistance levels, but then I want to use 5 minutes candles for breakouts. So as long as I need the 30-minute to draw up my levels and 4-hour levels as well, and then I'm just gonna use the 5 minute. See how the 5 minute reacts to those levels and backtest like that. But I can't do that with C Trader because it only shows you one time frame. It's annoying. Yeah, silly, very silly.
DJ is ranging. Now I'm done for the DJ for today.
Oh yeah, GJ. Nothing going on over there.
Done with it.
Nothing. Oh, this gold is nice though.
Super nice. W trade.
Yeah, man, it's been a while. It's not. I think we caught some trades last week. Some nice trades. Yeah, I caught about, I think, 40 or 50 pips on gold last week too. Yeah, it was decent last week, from what I remember. But yeah, GJ's not doing anything, man. I wonder if I can find the what was it? Yeah, this is the South Park scene. It's too funny, man.
Aslan is still gonna take the UFA.
How can I help you, young man?
Taking the
I got
UFA.
$100 check from my grandma, and my dad said I need to put it in the bank so it can...
Oh, why is it playing twice? Oh, it's a
How can I
preview.
help you, young man?
I got $100 check from my
Oh.
grandma.
Which team do you support, me?
Arsenal.
Yeah, we're
Do I
taking
really have
UFA.
to do this,
We're gonna
Dad?
win today.
I hope so.
Let's hope so. We are gonna win. Did you see how PSG
Grandma
was
said I
playing?
could
We
use this
almost
money to
beat
buy
them
whatever I
2-1.
want.
Okay,
We should have won that game, man.
Go on, Stanley.
100%.
How can I help you, young man?
I got $100 check from my grandma, and my dad said I need to put it in the bank so it can grow over the years.
Well, that's
Oh, shucks.
fantastic. A really smart decision, young
why
man.
can't-
We can put that check
He's
in a
gonna
money
play on
market
YouTube. I can't hear
mutual
the sound,
fund
you know
that
that?
will reinvest the...
No way.
Yeah. If you play music, I can't hear the music.
Ah, you need to see this, man. It's too funny.
earnings into
I'll check
foreign
it on my
currency
savings,
accounts
right?
with compounding interest.
I'll send you
and
the
it's
link.
gone.
But this is literally you put your money into Trump coins. Let me send it to you.
What?
It's gone. It's all gone.
Where's our chat?
What's all gone?
The money in your account. It didn't do too well. It's gone.
What do you mean? I have $100.
Let's get back.
Benny, how many pips do you want from gold at the moment?
Right? Where's my music? Boom, 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 boom.
You send it via in the Discord, right?
Oh yes, yeah. I can send it in Discord. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know why it's sent like that. I should have done it from the YouTube. I don't like Bing as a search engine. Benny said he's after 50 pips. Did he hit 50 pips?
Almost close.
Oh my god. Well, if you got a better entry than me,
How many pips
like
away from
48.
my land?
Damn.
It's like 16 pips away from my land now. Shit, my land almost got hit, eh?
Listen,
Almost.
I can't let it get to 30 pips and then it pull back to my entry and I get nothing.
Now you have to get partials by then, 80%.
Alright, so where's my spreadsheet? Because I worked out. So now if I closed 80% at say 30 pips and then the last 20% hit break even, I would have only got 24 pips in total, like on average. So really I've only got 4 by closing at 20 pips. I only got 4 pips less than what I would have if I'd closed partials and my trade hit break even. And when I was working out things like that, how much would I have gotten if I closed this and that, it was just less. Majority of the time it was less. So that's why I just closed full. Oh, it looks like GJ's pushing again to nowhere. Where's it going though? Come on, GJ. But gold is still holding. Still going.
Now you see now gold is gonna give us 100 pips. If we survive that, we're gonna get 100 pips clean. I'm telling you.
Let it re-break this high, this 15-minute high, and then I think it's gonna keep going for sure.
Yeah. Sky's the limit from now.
The range is clean to the left until all the way up until here, 34.07. There you go, it's re-breaking the high. Go on, Goldie, to the moon. And in 5 minutes, you got NYSE open. I think gold is gone then. Gone. There we go.
I gotta be back.
Yeah. Rosie, you're nearly at 52. So everyone got the same entry. Perfect. Good job. $3392.5. Okay, yeah, because the thing is, I got slipped. I did put it a little bit higher than I needed to, and I'm only saying that because once this candle closed bullish here, really entry should have been a break of this 15-minute candle high here. That would have been a better entry, honestly. So yeah, it would have been a slightly lower, but yeah, still a good entry. pound yen doing? So pulling back. Pound yen is just so. Ugh. Sorry, why am I looking at this? Keep an eye on Goldie. Oh, good trade today, guys. Good trade, definitely. I think if you got a decent entry, 92.6.5. What's the highest this candle got? 97.7. Might have been able to close 50 pips if you got very good spreads. Where's the high of my candle over here? It's actually open, high, low, close. Yeah, my candle got to 97.67 on my broker. I should say not my candle, my broker. So should have been able to squeeze a little 50 pips out of that push. Even if you were waiting for a longer bottom wick, it did create a slightly longer bottom wick, but not massive. I mean, compared to these bottom wicks, I mean, look at this 2 a.m. candle, doesn't even have one. But I mean, got a pretty clean range to the left, at least till 3400. At least till 3400. But my 30-minute resistance is at 3407. All right, NYSE open. See if we get more of a push.
Let's go. Let's see. Oh, I'm still alive.
NYSE open now. Look at that. Oh, it's driving down. Oh, damn. Gold can't be trusted, man. Look at this.
I'm not gonna get the 100 pip, eh?
Ah, so close.
Not yet.
It broke the 15-minute low on my broker.
Who's still in gold? Oh, Rosie's still in it.
No, I think Rosie got her 50 because she got in at 33.92.5. So I think it got to just about there. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
I'm still alive. 6 pips away from my entry. 6 pips away from my entry.
Oh my god. NYSE open, man.
Okay, let's go now. We're just getting 100 pips with me. No one here? None? But it's a runner. It's not my full position. It's a runner. So.
Okay. You closed some. Nice.
Yeah, I closed on 40. Did you hear me? I said I closed on 40.
Yeah, you did say.
Yeah. But right now I need 100.
I'm tempted to take another entry.
No, don't. It's not worth it.
What do you mean? 40 pip stop loss at a break of this low. I mean, at this entry candle low.
Based on?
This candle flipping. Based on this shit right here.
Based on this kind of flipping. It's
And a clean range. Nah, I'm chilling. I'm good. I'm keep my 20 pips.
Basically breaking that rule middle of the
range. Yeah, nah. We're not breaking rules over here. It's not that deep. It's not that deep.
Thing is, when the time when you break the rules, that's when you get trapped, man. I hate it.
Listen, and
And
you
it's
just
like you,
Mhm.
and you feel like, nah, I'm gonna use low risk, like, you know, I'm gonna go with a small position. For some reason, that small position is a lot.
Mhm.
Is a lot. Is a lot.
Ooh, doo,
You
doo,
see,
doo,
moving
doo.
122 subscribers. Moving, moving. What
Man.
about the giveaways? Which giveaways did you want to do?
Um, I don't know. I don't know which one. I don't know. There's either like prop firm challenges. I don't know what's of value to people. I don't know what's of value. What I need to do is speak to people. Like what
I don't
what do
know.
you need?
Mostly, well, I know when I was attending before you, obviously, back
Mhm.
then with Raja's Tues, he was doing this thing. But I think he was pushing since you don't have a broker, I don't know. He was pushing this thing of like, you know, do a giveaway of like you do pick up names and do a cycle, sort of like a randomness
Mhm.
basically, and choose after when the person wins and whatnot. The giveaway would be like they fund the account or something like that.
Yeah.
You'd find the account on the Dominion market.
Yeah, I don't have nothing like that to give away. So the problem with the funded accounts is like you need to be, in order for me to give away a funded account, I can't buy it on someone's behalf and give it to them
Oh, okay, I get
because it's all IP addresses and things like that. So I'd have to speak to a funded company and then say to this
give them,
company,
yeah.
look, I need, I want to buy for someone and XYZ. Do you know what I mean? So I've considered that route already, but because I don't really use any funded accounts, I don't have a relationship with any of them. So maybe I'd have to reach out to one and say, look, I'll ask. I'll see what people want because some people might not even want a funded account. I don't even know who in here trades. Does anyone trade using funded accounts in here? I think only Winfinity, but he's with FTMO. Even FTMO, they do a very good deal. They're doing if you're a first time user, you get a 10k funded account for like £80, which is pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm still thinking about doing a funded account challenge on my like for the YouTube, just to show how the strategy works, risk management, all of that. I mean, 10%, getting 10% shouldn't be bad, but I risk up to like 2-3% per trade. So that's the only thing that I'm thinking. I might have to lower the risk and it take a little bit longer to pass the account, but even then I'm good with that. It's not a rush thing.
Fast.
I kind of want to see what happens with this trade, but I mean,
Yeah, my stop loss got hit.
yeah, that pulled all the way down.
Yeah, that pull, yeah. Not a bad day. Profitable trade.
GJ's coming back down too. Ben, you got 40 pips. Got 40 pips. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I'll be back tomorrow. But do you know what? Tomorrow, I really think price might just range. Or we're gonna get moves closer towards FOMC. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll be streaming. I might stream FOMC as well. Why not? Why not? It'll be late though.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. I might stream it.
Done for the day.
Yeah. Nothing's happening here. And
Yeah.
gold, I mean, look, it's broken the previous 15-minute low. Although it's respected the 30-minute low still, I still think it flips bullish and pushes up. But if it doesn't, then I'm looking for gold to make a support and then maybe buys up. If I do look for anything else, but I don't see anything right now. And GJ, I don't see nothing. So yeah, I'm done for today. But good job today, guys. I got 20 pips. Most of you lot got 50, 40. But yeah, man, tomorrow.
Peace. We'll
Peace
talk
out.
then.